How to enable payout notification in Shopify. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to enable payout notification on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can create an account on Shopify using our links down there in the video description below, and make sure to follow all of our links since some of them have bonus rewards upon opening them and signing up for an account. So without further ado, let's get started. So after creating an account, you will be redirected right here on the Shopify dashboard. And if you want to change something in your payment settings, just go directly on the settings right here on the bottom left corner. And after clicking settings, you will be redirected to this section right here. And next thing you need to do is to click the checkout button. So right here, as you can see, I'm on my checkout section. And as you can see, all of payment notification options right here can be enabled. So if you want to send it on your phone number or email, or you can just send it to your email only. So yeah, that's it. So after enabling it, you will now receive your order or shipping notification when you pay something or buy something on Shopify. And yeah, that's it. So also other options like payment checkout capture that can be set up as a payment method can also be activated on payments section. So you can just click payment section right here and just manage your payment capture method right here. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can enable payment notification on Shopify. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.